Good morning, dear students. So, once again, welcome to your maths class. So, students, today we are going to do a new topic, that is topic of even and odd numbers. Okay, what are even and what are odd numbers? Let us understand. So, let us take the example of a number, that is 6. Now, first of all, let me draw some pictures. See, I am drawing 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, students, for even numbers, we will make a pair. Pair means when two objects come together, they make a pair. So we will make a pair in which we will circle two flowers. So this is one pair, this is the second pair, and this one is the third pair. So we can say that 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so here the pairing is complete. No flower is left alone. Okay, so pairing is complete. Now let us take the example of another number, that is 9. So let us take 9 stars now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And now let us again do the pairing. 1, second pair, this is the third pair, this is the fourth pair, and now one star is left. Yes, without pairing, because there is no other star to pair with. So we can see in 6 there are 3 pairs, and in 9 there are 4 pairs, but in 6 there is no flower left alone, and in 9 there is one star left alone. So you have to keep in mind, if the pairing is complete, then it is an even number, and if the pairing is not complete, it is an odd number. Now we have to do this pairing activity in copy. So you will write down the date, write down the day, and you will write down the heading, that is pairing activity for even and odd numbers. So see, first I have taken the number 12. I have drawn 12 dots, you can see, and I have done the pairing. Pairing means दो dots को एक ही circle में डालना, that is called pairing. So you can see in number 12 all the pairing is complete. So 12 is even number. I have taken the another number, that is 9, in which pairing is not complete. So 9 is odd number. Now 3 number I have left the space. You will take any number, you will draw the objects, and then you will do the pairing. If the pairing will be complete, then it is the even number, and if the pairing is not complete, it is a odd number. Okay, so this activity you will do in copy. Now let's do exercise 1.6. So before that, you have to remember that even numbers have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 at their ones place. Ones place means सबसे पीछे वाली place. Okay, the numbers which are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 at their ones place are even numbers, and the numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at their ones place are called odd numbers. This you have to remember. Okay, now let us take it by taking the example. Now I have taken few numbers, that is 800, 627, 588, 735, 894 and 921. So the numbers which are having 24680 at the ones place are even numbers. So from these 6 numbers you can see the number 894 is even because it is having 4 at ones place. 588 is even because it is having 8 at ones place. And again 894 is a even number. Okay, so let us do exercise 1.6. Now the first question is, answer the question on the basis of the figure. Now you can see the balloons and few numbers are written on this. How many balloons have even number written on them? So how many balloons we can count? See, 4 number is even, 2 number is even, and 8 number is even. So 3 balloons have even numbers written on them. Now write the odd numbers written on the balloon. So we can see number 7, 3 and 5 are odd numbers which are written on the balloons. Find the sum of all odd numbers in the above figure. Now odd numbers are 7, 3 and 5. Yes, so you have to find out the sum. That means you have to add. Sum means you have to add 7, 3 and 5 and the answer is 15. You can do on your fingers as you are doing the addition. And in D part we have to write the sum of all the even numbers. Okay, so even numbers are 4, 2 and 8. So you will add 4, 2 and 8 and the answer will be 14. Now coming to question number 2. So see, in question number 2 number we are doing the new topic, that is ordinal and numbers. Yes, so in this, when you run a race, when you get position in some race or your competition, so you get the positions like I got first position, I got second position, I got third position. So these are called ordinal numbers. Okay, so see, some letters are written R, M, I, E and A. Yes, in question number 2. So first part is letter M. Letter M is dash from the left hand side. So left hand side is the side from which R is written. So this is the second letter from left hand side. So number M is on second position. Second part is letter E is at dash from the right side. Now right side is, we will start from letter A. So letter E is on the second from right. Letter I is dash from the left side. So you can count, R is first, M is second and I will be third. So you will write down third. Letter A is dash from the right side. So from the right side, letter A is first. B part is the bat is dash from right side. So you can count, first one is badminton, second one is the wickets, third one is the hockey and fourth one is the bat. So you will write fourth. The wickets are dash from the right side. So wickets are on second from the right side. The third object from left is, left means you will start from the ball. This is the left side. So the third object from the left is hockey. So you will write down the spelling of Hockey, hockey. Fourth number is the ball is dash from the left side. From the left side, the ball is first. Coming to next question, C part. So you can see animals. So from the left side, monkey is first, lion is second, third is elephant and fourth is the cow. And if we start from the right side, cow is first, elephant is second, lion is third and monkey is on the fourth position. So you will read the sentence and you will complete it. The position of the lion from left is second. The second animal from right side is elephant. The first animal from right side is cow. And fourth part is the position of the cow from the left side is fourth, if we start from the left side. So now you have to write down the names of the first 10 ordinal numbers. Students, you can look at the page in your book and you can write down the spellings. Okay, you can learn slowly because these will not come in exams, so you have to learn it very nicely and very slowly. You can practice it. So the spelling of first is FIRST, SECOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, FIFTH fifth, SIXTH sixth, SEVEN seven, and you will put TH seventh. Then is eighth, EIGHT, and then again H eighth, NINE nine, and TH ninth. And the last one is 10th. You will put 10 and then TH. So these are the ordinal numbers. Okay. Now 4 number question is you have to separate the odd and even numbers. So I have told you the numbers which are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 at the ones place are even numbers, and the numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the ones place are odd numbers. So you can write down the odd numbers and the even numbers from the above given numbers. So you have to complete your exercise, students, and do your work very neatly. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day and have a nice day.